With our industry partner SkyySkills, we have set up a Green Mobility Electric Vehicle Technology Center of Excellence in Ballari Institute of Technology and Management.
The EV technology at all the levels, from foundation to intermediate till the research. We're keeping all this aspect in mind and ensuring that our graduates are well trained and they are very apt to the industry needs.
Feel that this type of EV labs across will help the students to gain the knowledge.
We are very much thankful to SkyySkills Academy for their cooperation in setting up of the CoE in Ballari Institute of Technology and Management. Thank you very much.